So what is an automation? So these days you might be hearing things like automation, workflows, agents, and many other things. So let's learn from the foundational level, like what is an automation, what is an AI automation, and what are AI agents. So let's get into it. So automation, so just to give you a definition, simple one-line definition, an automation is a fixed sequence of steps that runs to achieve an outcome. So that means few steps that are taken in an order to achieve an outcome. So let me just give you an example. So this is an example. Let's say someone submits a form on your website. So form gets submitted. Then automatically an email is sent and the data is saved in a CRM. So this is a simple automation. All these steps are predefined, and always this automation will run in this sequence only. So the key traits of the automation are uh, automation firstly is a rule based, and there is no kind of thinking involved in this. Only pure execution is in automation. So the mental model which you can apply is automation is like a checklist which is being followed. So whenever the automation runs, it goes through first step, then second step, then third step, and all these steps combinedly achieve a specific outcome. So now you know about what is an automation. So let's see what is an AI automation. So let's move to that. So what is an AI automation? AI automation means automation where some steps involve decision making using AI. So AI automation is like automation, just AI sits on the top of sits on the top of automation. So that means there will be predefined steps, but few of these steps will be able to think on its own. So let me give you an example. So let's take the previous scenario. So someone submits a form. Then previously we were sending an email directly to them. Automatically. There was no change in the way we were sending emails. But in this time we are using AI to generate custom replies, and then we are sending the email, and then data gets saved in CRM. So in this workflow, we are using AI to generate response. But this wasn't the case in the automation. It was running plainly. There was no thinking involved. But in this, we are thinking on the data which we got from the form submission. So yeah, I think there is typo here. Well, just leave with that. So the key shift is we are moving from fixed steps to flexible decisions. The mental model which we can apply here is there is the same pipeline like automation, but now the steps can think. So I think you understood it properly now. Automation is where steps are predefined and there is only execution. AI automation is where the steps are predefined, but some of those steps can think on its own to achieve an outcome. So now we have a better understanding of what is an automation and what is an AI automation. So now let's move to what are AI agents. Well, this is a really hot topic these days. So let's get to that. So what are AI agents? So AI agent is a system that can decide what steps to take to achieve a goal. Previously we saw that automation takes predefined steps in a sequence. AI automation also takes steps in a sequence. Just the change is that they can think autonomously. Some steps can think autonomously, but in the case of AI agent, the steps are not predefined. The system decides what let me highlight this. The system decides, I mean, the system that can decide what steps to take to achieve a goal. So the system will automatically decide the steps, uh, which means the steps are not predefined here. So let's go through an example. So this is an booking agent. Uh, this is I mean, it's my drawing. So well, never mind. So this agent has access to these tools. This is a calendar tool, and this is our Gmail tool. So let's say you say book a meeting to this agent. So what this agent will do is it will check the calendar. It will suggest you a time. If there is any conflict, then it will give you the reschedules if needed, and then it will give you the confirmations like this meeting is booked. There was conflict within this meeting, so it just moved the timings and notified the respective members. So in this, there is no kind of, I mean, the steps are not predefined. The agent can do any of this on its own at the, I mean, to achieve a goal. So the goal, if the goal was something else, like fetching the calendar details, then it would do it, then it would just search the calendar tool. It won't interfere with this email tool. So I hope you are getting what I'm saying. Like, it will define the steps as per the goal. That is it. So yeah, the key difference is AI automation means predefined steps, and agent means agent decides steps dynamically. So the mental model is automation follows steps and agents figure out the steps. So now we have understood what is an automation, what is an AI automation, and what are AI agents. Yeah. So AI automation is pure execution. There is no kind of thinking. AI automation is like some steps are able to think on them on their own, and AI agents are like completely autonomous. They figure out their own steps to achieve their goal. So now let's move to comparing the AI automation and AI agents. So we'll have a better understanding of what is happening here. So let's move to that. Okay, so I have a beautiful table drawn here. So in the left side, these are aspects, and on this top, like, I mean, I'm not able to highlight properly. So well, never mind. So these are the points for AI automation, and these are for the AI agent. So let's go through the structure. In AI automation, the structure is fixed workflow, and in case of AI agents, the structure is flexible. In terms of decision making, AI automation has limited decision making because there are only some steps that can think on their own. But in the case of AI agent, it has all access to what steps to take. So it has high decision making capability. In terms of control, in AI automation, the control is human defined, and in case of AI agent, the control is in the hand of AI agent. It will take steps that are goal driven. So to talk about example, there is an in AI automation, auto reply system can be an example, and so auto reply system can be simple as someone texts you on WhatsApp and automatically you send them a reply. That is an auto reply system. And in case of AI agent, there is an autonomous assistant, which means it will understand the message and it will generate a custom response as per that, and also it will have the knowledge and context that is necessary to cater the customer or client properly. So we'll go into the knowledge and tools and instructions prompts in the later videos which I will be posting. So stick with that too. So simple line, AI automation equals smart steps and AI agents means smart system. So I hope I was able to explain things more clearly and properly. So now we know about what is an AI automation. I mean, what is an automation, what is an AI automation, and what are AI agents. In next video, we'll go a little deeper onto what are AI agents. So yeah, that was it for the video. If you found this valuable, you can like this post, and so yeah, I think that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.